So, welcome to day 4 ng ating Zarkman versus the World Tokyo edition. And today would be the most crucial one. Alam na natin kung bakit. Today is challenge day and from the last time you saw me, I actually spent the whole entire siguro 15 hours, 16 hours just resting, getting prepared for this. Purposely, I slept in a little bit more than usual para na makapag-prepare para dito. Kasi I really wanna come in rested. And so far, I'm feeling okay. Time check, it's 12:30. Ganun ka-late. But then again, parte na rin kasi ng itinerary ko is to, talagang make room for this, like an entire day. Tapos noon, kung ano man yung magawa ko pa after the challenge, gagawin lang natin. Alright, so since nanggaling na tayo ng Little Yummy kahapon at nung isang araw, nag-bisa na tayo, they're just going to anticipate my arrival. Sinabi ko mga alas 2 ako darating to do the challenge and yan. I'm just drinking some coffee right now tapos we go to the resto in a little bit. Pagkatapos noon, I actually decided, I'm thinking kasi kung paano ko pa masisingit pero I might do Kamakura bukas, so I really have to wake up early para at least mabutan ko siya as a day trip dahil kasi since i-dedicate ko lang yung just 1 half day for Kamakura tapos hindi naman ganun kadami yung pupuntahan ko na attractions except one. We're going to try din kasi yung kung kaya try to have lunch there. Yung kakainin natin would be yung isa sa mga signature dishes, local dishes dun sa area. So hopefully ma-pull off natin siya. But that's for tomorrow. Today, we focus on this. I was actually watching yung mga videos ni Randy, ni Katina, tsaka I think si Sir Matata gumawa din ito eh. Siguro I'm going to include na lang a separate VO dun sa sa vlog for that para makita nyo kung gaano ka interesting yung challenge na to. Yeah, dahil kasi I'm saving energy din right now and I am letting the nerves calm dahil kasi parang a whole year of training has led me to this. Kaya I'm really looking forward to finishing strong. I mean, matagal yung time limit niya, 45 minutes, which is doable. I'm not really aiming for a really fast time, pero I'm just really aiming to finish within 45 minutes. Kaya, wish me the best. Alright, so yung temperature daw today here in Shinjuku, pretty much in Shinjuku na log is 22 degrees, with high being 23 degrees, lowest being 16. So, it's actually chilly eh. Pero dahil malapit na rin kasi yung autumn season, understandable na malamig at madami na rin mga naka-layering eh. As for me, as always, parati ko naman dala kasi yung jacket ko. And since hindi pa naman siya sobrang lamig na kailangan ko mag-heat tech, I pretty much appreciate that. So, sige, let's get a move on. Right, we're near the train.
Train bound for Chiba. 当駅を出ます。
Alright, so ngayon with a stomach full, I'm pretty much going to walk this off for the entire day. Well, I could pretty much go shopping now. May pinapahanap yung friend ko eh, so I might go to Okay, sige, daanan muna ako. Balik ako ng Takeshita Street. Tapos after Takeshita, punta tayo ng I could do Akihabara again. Akihabara Shinjuku. Sige, let's do that. Okay, wore my glasses na dahil kasi medyo maliliit kasi yung mga fonts eh. Yeah, kaya kailangan nating magsuot. So, ang dadaanan we're going to take the same train again. So, Chosobu Line, baba tayo na Yoyogi. from Yoyogi, we switch ata to JY Yamanote line going to Harajuku. Tapos from Harajuku, lakad tayo. Sige. There are actually two things I want to accomplish dun eh. Kaya, sige, punta tayo dun. Corner na Gashapon. Cost around 500 yen. No luck dun sa hinahanap ko for a friend, pero sige, hanap pa tayo. Right, so that's a wrap for me para dito sa Harajuku. Tapos, sige, let's go to Shinjuku. Mauuwian kasi ng mga estudyante at mga salarymen eh. Dahil kasi ang dami mga nakasakay ngayon sa train. Napasan. Sige. Kung ginagawa ko sa Pinas, gawin ko din dito. I do hope everybody got home safe. Alright, so nandito ako ngayon sa Shinjuku and nandito ako sa Lumin-esque. Meron ako hinahanap na stall. Tinitingnan ko kung nasan yung stall ng Carhartt. Yeah. I'm not sure kung dito din ako bumili last time, pero per Google, nasa 6th floor ng Lumin-esque yung ano to? Carhartt. I'm actually here. Right, so lumabas na ako ng mall and damn, umulan. Mahina na naman siya parang Yokohama pero madami ang patak. Kumbaga. Sige, patila muna tayo tapos nakikita kong big camera. Pasok tayong big camera. Okay, lumabas ako ng Yotaibashi camera tapos umulan pa rin. No luck dun sa nanap ko na antivirus. Baka sa Pilipinas lang ata talaga makabili ng Kaspersky. Sige, tanggapin ko lang na ganun. Sige, ikot muna tayo. One more sa big camera. Tapos, kasi umulan eh. Patilayin ko na muna tapos patilayin ko na muna. Yeah, probably get a place to sit. Tapos, tingnan natin kung ano pa yung pwede kong i-push bago ako bumalik. Sige, might do it. Bukas, piliti kong agahan ng pag-alis para makapunta tayo ng side trip natin. Let's go. Yeah, I couldn't find a place where I could get coffee or hang because it's so busy dito sa Shibuya. And so many things to see. Yeah. Pero nevertheless, hanap pa rin tayo dahil kasi kailangan ko din i-charge tong phone and yung power bank ay nandun sa backpack ko, nasa likod ko eh. Yeah, let's do that. Okay mga kalaman, so after so much needed rest at pagkatapos din tumila ng ulan finally, sige, let's go to Gojira-Head. Dami na ulit tao, nakakatawa. And it's very chaotic. Teka, nakita akong Family Mart. Let's go and build tayo ng tubig. Papasok din pala tayo sa street na ito, papunta doon. So, sige, puntahan natin. I'm already here. And, grabe, it's so bright, so pretty. It's Godzilla. Yes. Grabe, no? Pag dun sa, tulong sa tinuran ni Waze, though it's the most efficient, hindi mo kasi nakikita na maganda or na maayos si Godzilla eh. Kailangan mo pumunta dito sa kabilang kanto or sa other street. Okay. Let's get a better shot. It's super cool. Ganda ng backdrop dito ng Shinjuku. Yes, sir. Tapos, of course, meron din mga maid cafes. Yeah. Ay, meron din sa Akihabara. It's so bright. Nakakatawa. Alright. For Shinjuku naman, wala naman ako particular area or place na gusto punta maliban doon sa Carhartt din. And considering na I think there are better options dun sa Rockwell. And hopefully kung saan ako pupunta next. Pero sige, I'm gonna call tonight na muna. I really wanna get some rest, transfer some files dahil kasi papuno na yung GoPro at saka yung camera ko. Yeah, let's do some transfer and rest dahil kasi gusto ko maaga for tomorrow. I don't know if you can hear me now, pero I'm going to the train. Doon ako pwesto yung cat. Tapos alam ko din from last year, pusang cat naman eh. So parang police cat, gano'n. Nakakatawa. Yeah, sana makatawid na dahil umuulan. Hindi ito nasasakusa. Okay. Just a little bit more before we get home.